Hello, I'm Abdi.
Hello, and I'm Halima.
We are from Somali Customs, and we are here to help make your customs declaration for Somalia simpler and faster.
If you are a trader or broker looking to import or export goods through Mogadishu's port or airport, you are now required to complete an online customs declaration form.
This online form is called the Somali Single Administrative Document, or the SOMSAD.
In order to complete and submit a SOMSAD form, you need to register as a user and create a company profile in 3 easy steps. You only need to register once.
Step 1. On your computer, go to https://somcustoms.so. Don't forget to include the letter S after HTTP.
Step 2. On the home page, click on the New User link.
Step 3. Fill in your company's details and create a username and password. Once you are finished, click Create Account. You only need to do this once.
Once you have created an account, use your same username and password each time you return to the site.
Make sure you remember your username and your password. If you forget them, you will not be able to access the SOMSAD system.
And that's it. That's all you need to know about how to register as a SOMSAD user and create an account.
If you have any queries about this video, please contact us on revenuedirectorate@mof.gov.so.